Frog pose or Bhekhasana. In Sanskrit, Bhekha means frog or toad, and asana means pose. It is one of the several asanas known in English as frog pose because the body resembles the shape of a frog in this posture. The asana is similar to Dhanurasana in that the yogi lies on the belly, brings the heels to the buttocks and grabs the feet. In Bhekhasana, though the legs are separated, the thighs remain on the ground and hands press down on the feet. Bhekhasana is an advanced backbending asana that requires lots of flexibility. Begin lying on your stomach. Inhale, lift your head and the chest up, placing the forearms down on the ground in the Sphinx pose. This is the starting position. Begin with half frog pose or the Bhekhasana. Lean the body to the left side. Exhale, bend your right knee and reach back with your right hand, gripping the inside of the right foot. Adjust the hands until the fingers are pointing to the front. Exhale, right shoulder, and then rotate and turn the body towards the front as you ground down through the right hip. Begin to pull the foot towards the right buttocks. Over time, the right elbow will spin up towards the ceiling and the fingers will turn towards the front of the mat. Make sure that your right side isn't lifting off the ground and root through the right hip. Breathe as you hold the pose. Exhale and gently come out of the pose and return to Sphinx. Repeat on the second side for the same amount of time. For full frog pose, begin from Sphinx. As you inhale, lift your chest higher. Bend your left knee and bring your right arm to the back, holding from the inside of the foot. Exhale, spin the left elbow towards the ceiling. Release the right arm and do the same for the left side. This is our full frog pose. Exhale, release one leg at a time to the floor. And bring the arms back to the front into Sphinx pose. Full frog pose can also perform. The hands are pressing down the heels towards the buttocks at the same time. Inhale, reach your arms to the back, holding from the inside of the feet. Exhale, gently press the heels towards the buttocks as you spin your elbows to the ceiling with the shoulders internally rotated. Contract the abdominal muscles to create space at the lumbar spine. Press the heels down to the floor with the palms. Draw the thighs close to each other. Keep the shoulders internally rotated and away from the ears. This helps to lift the chest. Breathe while holding the pose. Exhale, release slowly to the starting position.